I am so happy to introduce you to a new collection. This is a smaller collection. It's called Flowing Ink. This is the 12 by 12 version, as you might guess, and there are 12 sheets. This is, as we are doing now, everything is printed on cardstock. Now, there are cards and scrapbook page ideas, but I'll be showing you those. But first, let me show you all of the sheets. And here we go. Here is the first. And if it looks familiar, it might look to you as if you had taken a huge sheet of glossy cardstock or Yupo and mixed the alcohol inks on it. Well, that's what the designer did, and it is just gorgeous. So here's one side. Here is the other. Oh my goodness. Here is another. And you can see some are, you know, like this is all teals, a little bit of blue at the edge. This is a lot of greens, actually a little teal. We've got blues here, just really fun. But we're also getting into the magentas and into the orchids. And just a lot of beautiful, beautiful art here. So useful. And I bet you're thinking of lots of things you could do right now. And here is the last one. Okay, as you would expect, we have coordinating cardstock, and let me bring that in. And this is a little different in that we do have 12 sheets as we normally do, but you get 12 colors. So what we did, and actually this was a customer request, is that we took the papers and we did a lighter shade or a darker shade on the back side. So here we've got this magenta, and on the back is a darker purple. We've got the blue, and on the back is a lighter blue. We've got purple, you get the idea, and a lighter purple. We have more of the orchid, which, by the way, is a hard color to find in cardstock, so that's why I really wanted to make sure we had it. This is a deeper magenta. Here is a teal and a lighter teal, a green, and a darker green. So you're getting 12 sheets, but 12 colors. So that's going to play perfectly. In fact, let me show you on one sheet. Let's see. I'll start with the one that's on the front. So you can see how that's going to go. You can see how the other side works. That's going to play nicely with it, but so is the back side. And this is just one sheet. So you can see the purple in there, more of the lighter purple. We've got more of, as I said, the orchid and the deeper. And this has the green. This sheet has lots of colors in it. And there's the other teal. It doesn't have the green, so we're not going to play with that. But it gives you an idea of just how versatile these papers are. And that was our goal. So what can you do? Well, let me show you. Here is a scrapbook page. Just wanted to show you that. So you can see that these will work for any reason and almost any season. Just they're going to give a beautiful background. The photographs were matted on the Flowing Ink cardstock, and then Lene took a one of our dazzles, and let me show you which one. This is out of our set. This is called Fabulous Frames and Phrases, and this has bigger sheets. They're 8 by 9 inches, and there are 8 of them. And what it is there's 4 colors of one die. You can see that Happy Birthday. It's in black and white, red and blue. And then there's another sheet that's got Happy Everything. These all have frames and phrases. That's the name of it. Fabulous. Oh, no, fantastic frames and phrases. There are 512 pieces on these 8 sheets, and they were used here. So this Enjoy the Little Things was out of that package. You can see it was also matted on the Flowing Ink cardstock. We added some of 49th and Market flowers, and you've got your page done. Just beautiful. Now, the other thing you can do also is a card, as you might guess. We're getting a little bit closer to see this, and this is with the silver pearl. And you can just see how nice that is. We've got some strips of the Flowing Ink on this 5 by 6.5 inch card. So lots of ways you can use it. Now, there is another way. Well, actually, there are tons of ways, and Lene and Debbie will be doing a webisode on it. But you can also use it, if you want to, with any sea. Now, this happens to be our new, which I don't think you've seen yet, our new acetate. This is Seascapes in Sand. It comes with 2 sheets of acetate. And as you can see with acetate, as you would expect, they are translucent. So you can just cut along the straight edges, attach them to the flowing ink with extra sticky tape, and maybe do a stamped image or dazzles or whatever you like. But isn't that just gorgeous? Okay, now, not to be forgotten, we also have flowing ink in a 6x6, and this is got 24 sheets on it. And let me show you. Now it's going to be the same sheets that I showed you in 12x12, but it's kind of fun to see them in 6x6. So here's one. There's the back side. Let me scoot this over so you can see everything. And there's the second and the back, third. And you get 4 of every single one I'm showing you in the 6x6 collection. Just really fun. And as I said, you can just do so much with these. It's kind of like our ginghams and our dots in that this is, again, all seasons, all reasons. So that's fun. Now, what might you do with this? Well, how about what the design team did? They die cut it out with our 12 circles and scallops, and did some inking onto the white flowers to coordinate, and added one of the words script 500 script dazzles. So it just works beautifully. So you can have a lot of fun with the flowing ink in 6x6, with the coordinating cardstock now with 12 colors, and of course the 12x12 set. All of this coordinates, and all of it is exclusively here at paperwhiskers.com.